Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can clear your Safari history even if you have restrictions on. Now if you'll have restrictions on your iPhone, you're going to have difficulty clearing the history of Safari. For example, if you open up Safari and then you click on this history icon and click on this right here, you can see I have this option of clearing the history. This clock thing right here, this is history. Now I have this option to clear my history, but if your iPhone is on restriction, then you probably won't have this clear option right here. Secondly, if you go to your settings and then go to apps, and then even if you open Safari from right here, here you can see that I have this option of clear history and website data. Now, if your iPhone is on restriction, that means that this option will be grayed out here and you won't be able to touch it. So how to turn off restriction? Because you can only turn off restrictions, then you can delete history, not before that. So in order to do that, what do you have to do? You have to click on screen time, and then you have to go here to content privacy and restrictions. And then you have to click here, store web Siri and game center content. And then you have to come here to web content, and then you have to keep it unrestricted. You can only have issues in clearing your Safari history if your phone is on restriction, and this is how to unrestrict it. You have to make it unrestricted, and there'll be a check mark right here. That's how you do it. And once when you do it, you'll be able to clear all the history of your Safari through the settings app or through the Safari app itself. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.